What up, YouTube? Wanted to show you guys something I got today. It is a fish fry kit. Got it at a Bass Pro Shop. It was on sale for $49.99. So I figured might as well buy it. As you can see, this is all the stuff that you can use it for, and this is what it comes with. So I figured let's go ahead and unbox it for you guys. Okay. For outdoor use only. Instructions. So, okay. This is the stand. I believe it's 18 inches high, so that's pretty good. Okay, this is the little bowl here. Remember, it's a propane backyard deep fryer. Comes with a thermometer, and let's see. This is for the propane. Got the screws. This is the basket. Nice basket. It's a 10.5 quart basket. And this is the deep fryer. It's pretty deep here. Doesn't give you a fill line, but we'll figure that out. And then this is the ring. I don't know what this is for. We'll figure this out in a minute. All right, so that's what's inside the box. We're gonna go ahead and put it together and show you guys everything. Okay, so we got this together and it's pretty good. Very sturdy, but kind of little wobbly. I don't think it's not gonna spill or anything. It's pretty good, easy to put together. As you can see, here is for the propane, and connected to that. Good to go. It came with a thermometer. And when you fry, when you're done, hook it up, put it back in. All right, so this is actually a heat plate, so now I know what that was for. Okay, you can hear the fire on. Turned it on. I'm gonna go ahead and lower it up real quick. Just lower the temperature, get them nice blue flames. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it. It's a little bit light, but just letting it heat up for a little bit. Let it run for a minute, and then we're gonna go ahead and start cooking. All right, so we got flames going. Gonna go ahead and heat up the pan real quick, and then put the oil in. And then gonna start frying. Let's heat it up real good. Look how fast that heats up. Getting all that excess water out of there. All right, so we're at 275. Let's go ahead and take the thermometer out. I think that's hot enough. This is what we are making today. We're gonna fry 132 pieces. Nice. All right, so we'll just let it go ahead and fry on its own. Getting a nice good fry here. Looks pretty good. So once it starts floating on top, everything is pretty much done. And then we'll go ahead and raise the basket. So far, so good. All right, first batch coming in hot. Tell me what you guys think. Oh yeah, perfect. So it's cool, it has a little stand like that. Let the oil just drip out real quick. And then I'm gonna go ahead and, actually just go ahead and put it in already. Batch number 2 coming in hot. What I'm talking about right there. That's the sound I needed the first time. So we got leftovers. So we're gonna go ahead and deep fry this in the deep fryer again. Put it in the basket and go ahead and throw it in. First batch of pork. Let's go ahead and put it in slowly. So we give that about quick 10 minutes real quick. It's already cooked, so we're just gonna crispy it up. So this was the first batch. I forgot to show you guys when I took it out, but you could see night and day, big difference. Looks better, crispy and fried. I got another batch going and I'll show you when I take it out. All right, this is it. Let's put out the batch. Nice. Well, that was my first deep fry cooking on this deep fryer. Oh, there's the dogs. Anyways, I like it, guys. It's a good buy. Whenever you get a chance, I got this at Bass Pro Shop. This is a 10.5 quarts. Can't complain. Can't complain. Thanks for watching, guys. Any questions? Leave it on the comments below. Hit the like button and please subscribe. There you go. Thanks, guys.